It's a matter of great privilege, which is beyond description for me in terms of my expression, because to be part of a grand function, and that too organized so meticulously and sincerely with commitment and dedication in a village of India, in the northeasternmost part of northeast India, basically Nagaland, and a village which I am told is probably the second largest in Asia, and a village which is 700 years old, and a village which has produced hundreds of distinguished IAS officers, doctors, professionals, and so many others who have contributed continuously for the growth of Nagaland, for the growth of India, and have contributed in various spheres, and have certainly produced very significant perceptible outcomes for the society and the nation. So it is a matter of great privilege for me to be part of this, and then, as was being told, that the inhabitants of this village, they have been part of the Second World War also as warriors, and they have been martyrs also. DNA of the village, Kohima village, one of the most prestigious and respected village council in the country, it should be used for the growth of the country. It should be used for the contribution to solving the problems of this particular country. Prime Minister has so many visionary programs that he has implemented in the country over the years, and every program has resulted in very positive outcomes, measurable outcomes. I do not wish to discuss in detail all those programs. You have yourself seen that even during a crisis like COVID, the Prime Minister led from the front, and with a proactive and a preemptive and a graded response, we could handle COVID with, so much of commitment and scientific meticulousness, that today we have probably the best performance against COVID to our credit in the whole world, with the highest recovery rate and the lowest fatality rate. And the whole country, including of course Nagaland, and of course your village also, they have all contributed to the success against COVID.